And what? Did you know that you can actually make money on Instagram? Yeah, I know, man. But do you know how? No, I don't know how. Oh, I don't know. Okay, I will show you, bro. Let's go. Let me show you. Yeah, let's go. Hello guys, okay, let's help this guy. Okay, this guy who doesn't know how to make money on Instagram. Well, the person knows, the guy that knows that you can make money on Instagram, but he doesn't know how. Okay, I'm going to share, guys, with you some ways here how you can make money on Instagram. Okay, first of all, we've got what we call public sponsored post. Okay, public sponsored post, it's where you need to become an influencer. Okay, if you want to be on that space of publishing public sponsored post, you need to be an influencer. An influencer, we all know the word influencer. You know, for me, if you say influencer, I think of somebody who can influence people, okay, who has a big audience that actually are influenced by that person. All right, so you become an influencer first. Okay, that means you build an audience. Okay, you don't just build an audience, but you build an audience that is good, that trusts you, an audience that you have a good relationship with. Right, because you can be an influencer and have some few followers and all of that, and you will find that the problem is you are not engaging with them in a right way. That is why when you have a big following, what happens, and they trust you and you engage with them, you interact well with them. In other words, your relationship with your audience, it's awesome and it's good. What happens after that is that brands or companies, they come to you, they approach you, and I guess they will make a research about you. Especially they will look at how you engage with your people and all of that, and then they approach you, and then they will ask you to actually promote their product. All right, and they look, the important thing is that they need somebody who will be trusted. Okay, you need to be trusted by your audience in that way. Okay, so, and also what happens is that they ask you to promote their product, and then you can make posts about their product. Okay, so also, guys, your page or wherever you are in the social media. Okay, we are talking about Instagram. On Instagram, okay, you must have a content, a content. There was a guy who was talking about content. He said that you need to have a consistent content, and also it must be original. Usually, it must be original. So that's how you will become a public sponsored post, guys. Okay, become an influencer, and also you've got an audience, and then brands come approach you, and then you promote their product. You make money in that way. That is number one. Guys, we've got number two now. The number two is become a brand ambassador. All right, brand ambassador. It looks like it's the same as the previous one. Okay, the public sponsored post. Okay, it looks like it is the same, but it is not. A brand ambassador, it is someone who promotes a brand, okay, and its product. Now you promote a brand and the product to the network, to his or her network, okay, with an objective of increasing brand awareness and also helping drive sales. Okay, you make their product, those that you are promoting for, you make their product for your audience or your network to be aware of the product. All right, and then also the other aim is to make sales. Okay, you promote it and then to your network, and then perhaps when they see it, they are aware of it, and then it can generate sales. Okay, now as I said, that it seems like it is the same as the public sponsored post. Okay, but the difference here is that the ambassador, he actually or she actually continues to actually speak about the product. All right, the influencer is just he or she does it just once, okay? It's just a once-off thing. But when it comes to the ambassador, you promote that product like continuously, so okay, you speak about it like continuously, so all right. So and also guys, the important thing, I'm not going to dwell much here because it's almost the same as the influencer, but the difference is the ambassador speaks about it for a long time of continuously slow, so in that way. Now many brands, okay, they are actually looking for ambassadors, okay, and I guess it is because maybe of the continuous talking or continuous mentioning of the product, and also the brands, they are willing to pay, they are willing to pay real money. All right, real money. Now there is a study that I saw which says that a standard salary of a brand ambassador it ranges around $40,000 to $50,000 per year, right? Per year. Now that's good money, guys, for just talking about a brand or talking about a product, just talking about it to your network, and then you get paid that money per year. That's wonderful. That's great. Okay. That's the other thing, guys, that you can. The third one, it's about the provide a social media marketing. If you know your way around social media, you know what social media is about, you know how to do things on social media, you are good at it. You can actually make money by becoming a social media marketing, okay? Provide social media marketing to companies, okay? Example, if you are good in that, companies, they will call you, all right, to do their social media, to deal with their social media, make their social media awesome, doing comments, responding to comments, responding to a lot of things there. So if you are good in social media, this one, it will be very good for you guys, okay? It will be very good, okay? On Instagram, they will like, you will make some cash, all right? And also you can actually make around you can earn anything around $16 per hour. In other words, per hour you can earn $16, okay, to $75 per hour, okay? I guess it depends what is the negotiations and all of that. So you can see that one, if maybe let's say you are good, and then that company just keeps you there, in other words, in a month and whatever year, you can make some good money, all right? So you can also, guys, go and check these things out, and they are very good if you are good in this part of the job. Okay? Fourth one, it is the promote affiliate links, okay? This one, guys, I also do it, all right? When I actually see a company or a company that has affiliate programs, okay? What happens with this one, I know it, guys, okay? What happens here is that you go around and look for companies, okay, online, of course, companies that have affiliate programs, okay? Which means that what happens is that you join them, you will see on their website, usually it's at the bottom. You look there, you will see it will say affiliate program, and then you go there, you click there, you register, and then you on your page or on your dashboard, you will see a affiliate link. Affiliate link, it's what you use to promote your whatever that you are promoting on that website. So that link that you get, it is a link that is going to refer back to you every time somebody clicks that link and actually usually buys that product. You will get a commission. Now, this is not a salary, guys. This one, it's not a salary. You earn a commission. You earn a commission, not a salary. All right, because you earn out of what the person buys. All right. in that. So it is a commission. So this one, it's free. You don't do anything, you don't even work hard. You just go on the website, you check affiliate program, click there, get the link, boom, you just spread it around. Okay, but sometimes these links, guys, are very tricky, because sometimes other social media, they don't accept them, right? You find yourself in trouble there, not knowing what to do. So you're gonna have to find other ways on how you will promote your links. Okay, but there are other websites that you can go to, okay, where you can just promote these things and then you can make money. The fifth one, which is called sell digital products. Okay, you sell digital products that are online. Products that are online. Okay, let's just check this out, guys. This one, guys, it's not actually a surprise, you know, because we live in those times right now. Okay, if you can be able to sell a physical product, you see that there are people who can actually sell products online. Okay, products, tangible products. In other words, you can also be able to sell a digital product. You can, all right, because that is why this thing is there. Sell digital product, selling digital product, all right. So Instagram actually has become a very powerful digital selling machine, all right. Instagram, all right. If you have you know these things that they call ebooks, okay? There are books that are online, okay? You read them online, you can download them, you can do whatever, okay? Those are those are one of the digital products, okay? For example, if you wrote a digital digital book, all right, and then you wrote it and it's good, it's nice and all of that, and maybe you checked it out and people checked it out, they find it good. All right, you can be able to sell it. All right, you can be able to sell it digitally, so all right, without any stress, without any problems. I guess also without any charges. You know, you just promote it digitally and all of that. All right, just like that. Okay. Or maybe you have an online course. You know that these guys who do online courses, okay, they will tell you that if you want to know how to make money online, join my course, and then sometimes you will pay this money. Others, they do it freely for that period. So others, they will say for this month you don't pay anything and all of that. You know, just like that. So that's also it's a digital thing, okay, digital product, okay. And also, if your business account has features that are helpful, such as, you know, shop buttons, in-app checkout, and product text to make it easy for your customers to purchase products. In other words, all you do is, for example, guys, if I've got a digital book, okay, an ebook, all right, what I will do is perhaps I will create a website if I don't have, or if I already have it, I put it on the website and I make sure that there are links, okay, links that are going to make it easy for people to buy it, for people to actually see it, and also for people to click if they want to download it or buy it or actually get it. All right, you make sure that those things are there so that you are able to do what, so that people, they can be able to actually access it easy. All right, okay guys, I said how many? 6. Okay guys, I think that is the last one. Okay, so you can check these things out if you want to make money online, guys, on Instagram specifically, guys. Okay, on Instagram. So Instagram, it looks like Instagram, you know, these days it's up there and people are just doing their thing there. All right, so you can check these out, guys. I've put them on the screen as you can see them there, so you can go and do your own research, and perhaps there is something that you can do there. All right, ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much, and I hope that you enjoy your day, and share this video if you want other people to know what is what on Instagram. All right, thank you, ladies and gentlemen, and stay blessed. And remember, as we always close it, boom.